Howdy folks, we're cooking a pork loin today. I'm going to put it on our barbecuer. Let it cook for about 25 minutes, then we'll flip it. While we let this pork cook, we're going to have a nice cold beer. Natter day. And let this sucker cook a little longer. About 20 minutes and we'll flip it over. Now that we let this cook for 25 minutes, we're going to flip it over. Now that this pork loin's been cooking for about 45 minutes, we're going to check it with our thermometer. Looks like it needs a little bit more time.
Looks good.
Yeah. Alright, this has been on here for about 45 minutes to an hour. We're going to cut into it, make sure it's cooked all the way. Looks pretty good. Split it apart.
Pork, the other white meat.
That's our cameraman there.
Hello.
Looks yummy, doesn't it?
Fire's getting a bit mad.
We can turn the fire off. Take these and eat them for dinner. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe. See you next time.